In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at Neptune in astrology and human design and how this energy reflects spirituality, intuition, and deeper awareness. Neptune represents a person's spiritual path. It reflects where they are drawn to connect with something beyond the physical world. This is more subtle and mysterious energy. It can feel dreamy, intuitive, and sometimes difficult to fully define. Neptune is often connected to the idea of a veil. It reflects areas where things may not be seen clearly at first, but reveal deeper truths over time. The placement of Neptune highlights where a person may feel drawn to escape or step away from the noise of the world. It reflects where they seek peace, imagination, or spiritual connection. This energy is closely tied to intuition. It reflects how people sense, feel, and understand things beyond logic. In human design, the gates connected to Neptune reflect the path of spiritual growth. These themes can unfold slowly and may feel hidden until they are fully understood. Neptune also reflects imagination and inner experience. It shows where people may explore dreams, creativity, and deeper emotional or spiritual states. At times, this energy can blur reality. It can create confusion or illusion if things are not seen clearly. At the same time, it opens the door to deeper awareness. It reflects the ability to experience life in a more intuitive and meaningful way. Neptune encourages stillness. It reflects the ability to step back, observe, and connect with something deeper within. The more people understand their Neptune, the more they can recognize their spiritual path and how they are meant to connect with their inner world.